Hello friends! First, crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Whisk them well until they're nice and frothy. Next, let's heat up our pan. Pour some olive oil in. Then drop in about a 1/4 stick or 30 grams of butter. While that's melting, let's chop up 1 onion. The smell of sautéed onions always takes me back to family dinner. Add the chopped onion to the pan and cook it until it's soft and golden. Now, grate 3 medium-sized potatoes. After grating, make sure to squeeze out the water from the potatoes. Add the grated potatoes to the pan with the onions. Give everything a good mix. Next, grate 1 carrot. Add the grated carrot to the pan and stir it in. Let it all cook together. Then, chop 1 bell pepper into small pieces. Bell peppers are such a versatile vegetable. Toss it into the pan. Stir everything together. Next, mince 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic brings such a lovely aroma, and it's one of those ingredients that truly makes a dish come alive. Add it to the pan. Now, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Let it all cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then remove the pan from the heat and transfer the mixture to a bowl. Now, take your whisked eggs from earlier and add them to the veggie mixture. Then, chop a small bunch of parsley. Toss the chopped parsley into the mixture. Take 10 ounces or 300 grams of soft cheese and grate it. Add half of the cheese to the mixture. Mix everything well. Now it's time to prepare the baking dish. Take a little butter and grease the muffin tin. Then take the potato mixture and form little baskets in the muffin cups. Place the muffin tin in the oven. Next, add some olive oil to a pan. Then add half a pound or 220 grams of ground beef. Break it up as it cooks, making sure it gets nice and browned. As the beef cooks, chop 1 tomato. Add it to the pan. Stir well. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Mix everything together and cook until the beef is fully cooked through. Once the potato baskets are done baking, remove them from the oven and spoon the beef mixture into each one. Then top them with the rest of the potato mixture. Sprinkle the remaining cheese on top. Return the muffin tin to the oven. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Grate 1 garlic clove on a mini grater. Add it to the bowl. Chop up some parsley. Add that too. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, then stir everything together until smooth. Take them out of the oven and plate them up with the sauce on the side. Just look at them, golden, crispy on the outside, and so soft and flavorful on the inside. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope this recipe brings as much warmth and joy to your home as it does to mine. Until next time, happy cooking!